Okay, welcome you all, dear students. Today we will discuss the topic basic Courset incidence matrix under the graph theory concept. Now, this basic Courset incidence matrix is generally denoted by B, and the dimension for this particular basic Courset incidence matrix is generally E cross n minus 1. Okay, this is the dimension for this basic Courset incidence matrix. Now here E means the elements and this n means the number of nodes. Okay, so the dimension will be E cross n minus 1. Okay, now actual dimension is again depends on the what kind of network is there. Okay, I will draw one network which we were discussing earlier. We form different matrices like your basic incidence matrix, bus incidence matrix, branch path incidence matrix, and so on. Okay, so we will consider the same network. Now I will draw the network graph, oriented network graph here. Okay, which we considered previously. So suppose this is the tree I am drawing here, which consists of 4 nodes. This is reference node, that is node number 0, node number 1, node number 2, node number 3. Okay, and there are another elements will act as a links. This one, which is your element number 4, this one element number 5, and this one element number 6. Okay, so this is your element number 1, element number 2, element number 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in this way, in this given oriented, now we will give the directions here as per the given directions. Okay, so these are the assumed direction or which is given itself in the network. Okay, so this is what the oriented network graph, and here in this graph we are considering 1, 2, 3 as a tree. Okay, so obviously the remaining branches will act as a link, means here 1, 2, 3 are the branch of tree and 4, 5, 6 are the links. Okay, and total number of elements are 6. Now obviously this matrix will be 6 by 3 as the dimension is E cross n minus 1. There are 4 nodes, n minus 1 means 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, and elements are 6, means you will get 6 by 3 matrix, 6 rows and 3 columns obviously. Okay, now basically this basic Courset is a Courset in which only one branch should be involved. Okay, and the number of basic Courset, Coursets are depends on number of branches. Now here number of branches means what? The branches of tree, or you can say the number of twigs. Either you call it as a twigs or the branches of tree. Okay, and that will be here n minus 1. Okay, means obviously number of basic Courset will be number of branches, means there are 3 number of branches, or you can say n minus 1. Okay, so there will be 3 basic Courset. Okay, so while considering the basic Courset, we have to consider that it should contain only one branch, means only one branch should be involved in it. Okay, another can be your links. Okay, and you have to cut a particular part of this oriented graph in a such a way that it should directly isolate it from that without disturbing to the remaining part of the network. Okay, now here I'm going to cut this part, so this becomes your basic cut set number 1. I will call it as a B1. Okay, so this consists of only one branch, that is 1, and another element is your link. Okay, now the next cut set I will consider this one. Okay, which consists of only one branch, that is 3, others are links. Okay, so this is your uh, basic cut set. I will call it as a number 3, and this will be your number 2. This I am going to draw. So this cut set will be basic cut set number 2, that is B2. Okay, again here also there is only one branch, means the number of branches will be equal to number of cut set. Okay, means cut sets depend on number of branches of tree. Okay, so in this way you can form the number of cut set. Okay, so here first cut set will be B1, which consists of how many element? 2 element only, that is 1 and 4. Then second element will be B2, which consists of 2, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. And third basic cut set B3 will be 3, 4, 5, 6. This one 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now here in this basic cut set B1, element number 1 is acting as a branch. Here in this B2, element 2 is acting as a branch, and in this B3, element number 3 is acting as a branch. Okay, so again, what will be the direction of the basic cut set? Again, the direction of basic cut set is decided by the branch involved in it. Okay, means as per the direction of branch, that will be the direction for basic cut set. Okay, now for example we are considering basic cut set B1. So in this branch is 1. Okay, so we have to consider the direction of this particular branch number 1. So like this. Okay, according to that, if it is in same direction, another element is in same direction of your direction of branch. Okay, so it will be plus. If it is opposite, it will be minus. Okay, so similarly we can draw the basic terminology for finding the elements of this matrix. Okay, suppose Bij will be 0 if the ith element out of this 6 element, ith element is not a part of jth cut set. Okay, in that case that element Bij will become 0. Okay, if that particular branch or element is not contained in that particular cut set. For example, in basic cut set B1, okay, 5, 6 and 3 elements are not included. Okay, so that will become 0, that element will become 0. Okay, and Bij will be plus 1 if the ith element is a part of jth cut set. Okay, that element is a part of that particular cut set, and their direction is same as twigs, means the direction of same as that of direction of twig, means direction of branch. Okay, and Bij is equals to minus 1 if ith element is a part of jth cut set and their directions are in opposite direction. Okay, means the direction of cursor is opposite to that of direction of that particular element. Okay, so that it will become -1. Okay, so for given this oriented graph, we can form this matrix B here. Okay, again that matrix will be obviously 6 by 3 only, that is E cross n minus 1. Okay, here elements and cursets. Okay, so there are three cursets basically, B1, B2, B3, and elements all 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now consider first column, that is B1. Which elements are included in B1? That is 1 and 4 only here, this B1 curset, which consists of element number 1 and 4. Okay, so in this 1 is the branch. Okay, it will be obviously positive, +1. Okay, and another element is 4, which has the same direction as of this tweak. So obviously this will become plus, means both element number 1 and 4 will become plus, 1 and 4, and remaining element, that is 2, 3, 5 and 6 will become 0. Similarly B2. Okay, which branches are included? 2, 4, 5, 6. Here you can see 2, 4, 5, 6, and the directions are equal. This is the direction of this basic curset. Okay, so directions are same as that of direction of that particular elements. Okay, so similarly, it first element is not present, it will become 0, 1, 0, 4, 5, 6 are included. Again in basic curset number 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 are included. Again the direction will be like this, that is the direction of this tweak. Okay, also the remaining direction of remaining elements, that is 4, 5, 6 is in same direction, so it will become plus only. Okay, so here 0, 0, element number 3 is there, 4 is there, 5, 6. Okay, so this is what your basic curset incidence matrix B. Okay, and this particular matrix, this curset matrix satisfies KCL. Okay, so as we are talking about here, the basic curset means we are talking about a particular node. Okay, so the branches are entering at that particular node. Okay, so it is analogous to the application of Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, so that's why this particular matrix, basic curset matrix B, satisfies KCL, that is Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, so this element can be the currents through that particular branches. Okay, and B1, B2 and B3 you can call it as nodes. Okay, so current that particular node, whether are they incomer or away from that particular node. Okay, now this particular part of this matrix B is corresponds to the branch 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this matrix you can see here, this matrix is just like a unity matrix, this matrix. Okay, this is unity matrix and which is corresponds to the branch, so that's why we will call it as a unity matrix. U corresponds to branch, so UB. Okay, and the lower part of this matrix B corresponds to the 4, 5, 6 element. 4, 5, 6 means what? These are your links, so it is corresponds to the link, so this will be matrix BL. Okay, that is part of matrix B, corresponds to the link. Okay, that is 4, 5 and 6. So okay, so you will get UB and BL from this basic curset matrix B matrix. Okay, okay, So next is the augmented cursor incident matrix that we will discuss in next lecture. Okay, so thank you very much.